Hello guys, it's me again, Sir JM. Today let us discuss all about law of exponent. Now, under product of power of law of exponent, as you can see to our illustration, we have a raised to m times a raised to n. Now, to simplify this given expression, okay, a is our base, m is our exponent. Here, the second expression, a is our base, n is our exponent. Therefore, as you can see, they just copy the base a and add the exponent m and n. Now, let's start for this given example, number 1. Okay, in number 1, we have a raised to 6 times a raised to 4. According to our illustration, we just copy the base a, then add the exponent 6 plus 4. Then simplify. We have a 6 plus 4, that is 10. Therefore, the answer in multiplying a raised to 6 times a raised to 4 is a raised to 10. Let's go to the second example. We have here 3x squared times 2x raised to 4. Okay, in this given example, we have here base, which is x, and we have here numerical coefficient 3 and 2. In this given example, first we need to multiply the numerical coefficient 3 and 2. We have 3 times 2, that is 6. Now, let us proceed to copy the base. Copy the base x and add the exponent. What are the exponent? 2 and 4. We have here 2 plus 4. Then simplify. Okay, we have here 6 x 2 plus 4 is 6. Therefore, in multiplying 3x squared times 2x raised to 4, the answer is 6x raised to 6. Next, let us proceed to another example, number 3. We have a plus m raised to 3 times a plus m raised to 5. As you can see in this given expression, the expression a plus m is inside the parentheses. It means the given expression is only, we consider that one variable. Okay, it means we need to copy, or we just copy the expression a plus m, and we just add the exponent 3 plus 5. Then simplify. We have here a plus m. We have 3 plus 5 is 8. Therefore, the expression a plus m raised to 3 times a plus m raised to 5, the answer is a plus m raised to 8. Take note, if the expression is inside the parentheses, we consider that as one expression only. Now, in example number 4, okay, in example number 4, we have two base here. We have x and y. Now, in this given situation, we need to separate x and y because the other expression also have x and y. Now, we solve this given expression, okay, as x, and we solve this as y. Okay, first let us solve for x. We have x here, then copy the base x, then add the exponent. We have 4. Now, pag wala kayo nakita ritong exponent ng x natin, ang ibig sabihin niyan ay meron siyang 1 as the exponent. Therefore, we add 1 here. Next is for the variable y. Y, again, wala kayong nakitang exponent. Ang ibig sabihin, meron tayong y dyan. 1. Then, plus the another exponent of the second y, that is 2. Then simplify. We have x, simplify the exponent, 4 plus 1, that is 5. Next, y, simplify the exponent, 1 plus 2 is 3. Therefore, in the given expression x raised to 4y times x y squared, the answer is x raised to 5 y cubed.